Hey guys, Cheyenne here, and I am a huge lover of books. I love reading all types of books, anything from Harry Potter all the way to V.C. Andrews, and I really like the Game of Thrones series. I just like everything. Today I'm here to unbox a package I received in the mail. It looks like this. I can't show you the front because it has my address on it, but basically I've been waiting for this since December 31st. It is from Colourpop. They had a huge sale and I scored some things. I'm going to open up here for you and let's just get right into it. So excited. This is the first time I've actually ordered Colourpop for myself. I've done like group buys and ordered a couple of items through a friend, but I've never actually placed the order myself. So I'm really excited to say that being in Canada on a $52 and it was $52.90 order, there was 0 custom fees, which is highly unusual. So I'll show you the inside of the box. It just looks like this. And I really like how it's nicely packaged. I find that a lot of makeup companies like Sephora don't package their things that well. Okay, so the first thing on top here is a little card that says, "What'll I do without you? XOXO Colourpop." Looks like this. I think it's super cute and really nice touch. Oh, so excited. Okay, right on top here I have the Colourpop Take Me Home palette. I believe it's just 6 shadows, all neutral colors. How the heck do I open this thing? Oh, here you are. It's really small, a lot smaller than I was thinking it would be, but I really don't need a huge package, or I really don't need a huge palette anyways. I have a ton, and it looks just like this. I think it's absolutely gorgeous. Here's the box, and I'm going to insert swatches right now. So here's the swatches for the Colourpop Take Me Home palette. Got these beautiful colors right here. I'm just going to put this packaging over the mirror so I can do this in style. Okay, so these are the pretty colors. The very first one we have here is Issues, which is this oh, so creamy. And there's the very first one. It's like a peachy color. Very pretty. Next one we have is Sidetracked, which is this beautiful sparkly shade. These are so soft. Okay, that's really pretty. Next we have French Kiss, which is this dark matte brown. And then next we have Saltwater, which is this really sparkly copper color. I really like this one. I'm just gonna wash my hand. Okay, so next we have this matte brown called Popular Demand. So pretty. And then we have, what's it called? Bitter Better, and it's this beautiful gold color. That is honestly so pretty. I really like that. Okay, that is it for Take Me Home. So that was the first item. The next one we have here is called the Colourpop Over the Edge Super Shock Shadow Foursome. Box looks like this, and let's open it up. Now I believe this is 4 different Super Shock shadows. It is. And oh no. One of them came broken. But that's always a risk, especially considering the item was left outside. That could have caused it as well. So I'm not going to actually open them up to show you. It was this one right here. It's called DGAF. So you can see here it's a beautiful brown color. There's gold reflex in it, or gold shimmer rather. It's called DGAF, and it came completely broken, which is a little disappointing. I was really looking forward to that. Next color I have here is this beautiful purple color. It is called Wild Thoughts. Really, really like it. And here is another brown. It looks kind of matte. I don't think there's any shimmer in it. It's called Fade In. It looks like this. And the whole reason I bought this was for this color right here. It's this like gold, and it is broken as well. Oh, that is so disappointing. Completely broken. But as I guess I can just repress it. It's called Come Clean, and it looks like this right here. Really pretty color. I thought it was more yellow, but I still really like it. And then we have a brush. I decided to order one of their brushes because I don't have a fan brush. So it comes packaged like this. There's this little plastic sleeve that was up over here. I just brought it down. And it's super nice. Don't know what the quality is like yet because I haven't tried it, but it is very nice. It's not the softest brush I've ever felt, but it is very nice brush. It just looks like this. It's very nice. Okay, so I forgot to insert swatches. So swatches for the 4 Super Shock shadows, if I can use the broken ones, will be inserted right here. Okay, so here we have the Super Shock shadows. I kind of gently repressed this one with my finger. It was the one that was broken. But let's just give the little swatches here. I'm going to start off with Come Clean, this beautiful gold color. And I didn't touch this one yet because I think it's just a little bit shrunk, so it should still work. And oh, it's really nice. Very creamy. There's that. Oh, that is so pretty. I cannot wait to use that. I don't really use glittery shades that often, but I don't know, something about that is really nice. And then here's the broken one, DGAF. Now, because I repressed it with my finger, I already tried this one out, and I think this one might be my favorite. I really like how it has like this kind of coppery brown color, and with the gold glitter, it's just so pretty. Again, that was DGAF. Now, even though it was broken, it's still usable, so it's not, I'm not complaining about that. It just kind of sucks because I was doing a video, right? So next we have Fade In, which was, it looks matte to me. It's this matte brown color. Oh, that is so creamy. You know what that reminds me of? You know when we were kids and we used to dig in the dirt and stuff? It reminds me of the orange clay that you'd find deep within the ground. I really like that. And that glitter, I think, is coming from a previous swatch. I don't think I washed it off enough, unfortunately, but that is really pretty and really creamy. And then last we have Wild Thoughts, which is a beautiful purple color, and purple is actually my favorite color. Oh my goodness, this is so pretty. So after swatching it, it looks a little bit more pink than purple, but still it's a very pretty color, and I really like that one. And I'm twisting my arm in the most awkward way possible. I did not swatch these well. And there you go. That is the Over the Edge Super Shock Quad, I guess you'd call it. Okay, so after the fan brush, I have 2 palettes that are really wrapped well in this bubble wrap. They look like this. The very first one I'm going to pull out is the Yes Please Pressed Powder Shallot. Whoa, totally butchered that. Yes Please Pressed Powder Shadow Palette, and it's yellow packaging. Inside of the box, it looks like this. It says Cute AF. Oh. One is a little chipped, but that's okay. Looks like this, and it is so pretty, guys. Oh, I really like that yellow shadow. It's a little small, but I ain't complaining. It's a perfect size for traveling, so that's a good thing. But I really like these colors, and I will insert swatches right now. Next we have the Yes Please palette, and it looks like this. I'm so excited for this palette, just saying. I completely forgot to wash my arm off, so just give me 1 minute. So very first we have this really like pale skin color here called Full Zip. And then next we have Big Cocktails right beside it. Ooh, I really like that. And then we have Champs, which is a little darker skin tone color. Oh, it's more peachy actually. Kind of reminds me of that other color in the Take Me Home. And then we have Bling, right there. Ooh, that's pretty. Wash my fingers. Then we have Louis. Those are kind of similar. Butter Cake, which I believe was in the last one, wasn't it? No, it wasn't. Never mind. Spoiled. Very pretty. And GNO. Oh, that one was so good. Okay, wash my fingers. I'm just washing my fingers with micellar water. I believe that's how you pronounce it. And then just drying my hands. Okay, so next we have the color I bought this palette for, which was Mischief. This beautiful yellow color. Looks really close to the yellowy orange color in the Huda Beauty Electric Obsessions palette that I have. Oh, I have a little fluff there. Very close to it. And then we have this pretty brown matte shade, Note to Self. Perfect for in the transition or the crease. And then we have Chauffeur. That's really pretty. I like that. Then we have this dark brown color here, which was in the Take Me Home palette. And that's it for that. Wash this off. And the final thing in this unboxing is the My Little Pony Colourpop Shadow palette. Oh, this box is so cute. I was never really into the My Little Pony as a kid, so that's not why I really like it. I really like it because the colors in this palette are just, oh, they're so pretty. Oh my god, they're so pretty. But here's the packaging. Really, really cute. I know none of these guys' names. Just saying that now. Like I said, I didn't buy it because it's My Little Pony. I bought it strictly for these colors. Oh, they're so pretty. I'm like so super excited about this one. Oh, I really, really like this one. And I don't like shimmers typically, but I really like this one. I'm really drawn to it. Purple's my favorite color. I'm not really sure about that one. That one's kind of but really like this blue. Love this color right here and this color right here. Oh, I can't wait. And so swatches for this will be inserted right now. Okay, so this is the final palette. It is the My Little Pony Colourpop palette. I absolutely love the packaging, even though like I said in the video earlier, I never really watched My Little Pony. I wasn't really into it, but I still really like the packaging. And look at these colors. I think this one might be my favorite out of all of them. So, oh, gotta flip this around so I can see the shade names. The very first one at the top here is this white, and it's called Butterscotch. Now, ignore my arm, it's a little bit stained from the last swatches, but you can still see. Now that's really pretty, actually. Not very nice in the pan, but I really do like it on the skin. Next is Blossom. Oh, I really like that. And then we have Starshine. That's very pretty. And Bluebell. Okay, that one's a little powdery. Come on, buddy, you can do it. That's very pretty. And I gotta wipe my hand off. Okay, next we have Applejack. Ooh, that's pretty. And Sky Dancer. That's pretty too. Minty. I really like this color. Very nice. And Flutter Bite. I thought it was Fluttershy, but okay. Kind of a peachy color. It's pretty. Final row, starting with Twilight, this black shade with pink shimmer. Very nice. A little bit more charcoal than black though. Firefly, really pretty color. That is actually kind of loose in the pan though. Don't know if you saw that, but it kind of spun when I was doing it. Oh well. Next is that color that I was talking about earlier, the Snuzzle. I really, really like how it looks in the pan. Let's see how it looks in the swatch. Oh, that's pretty. And lastly, Princess Sparkles. Very, very pretty palette. Cannot wait to use that. So that is it for this video. Let me know what you think. If you have any of these palettes, I would love to hear what you think about these palettes down in the comments. And if you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you want to see more content from me, hit subscribe. It's free. And I hope you guys have a fantastic day. Bye-bye.